In Chinese culture, eating is the most important issue in our living. For in the past 1,000 years, most of the time we were in war condition. Therefore, if you have something to eat, or even you feel full, you are blessed.
食得是福，食得是福。
Means able to eat is a blessing. Now, it is commonly used by elder people. If the elder people don't get any sick and can eat everything as they want, they are really blessed. Let's see the example below.
食得是福，你到呢個年紀仲可以隨心所欲咁食，真係幸福啊！食得是福，你到呢個年紀仲可以隨心所欲咁食，真係幸福啊！
In English, it means able to eat is a blessing. You can still eat as you want in this age. You are really blessed. I know one Beijing saying. It is
吃了买您
The direct translation is have you eaten, but actually, it is a simple greeting like how are you doing, and nothing related to eating. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.